Okay, put egg inside.
Egg.
How you want to...
Show man say my girl say one put finger for... I don't understand.
Okay, put finger for your... Have you put finger before to know that girl is a virgin?
Hi.
4 years, isn't it?
4 years, Akara. A girl like that.
I beg you, don't go follow me, go my introduction. I don't come on your name for list. I don't come on your name for list.
I'm your best man.
Thank God say I don't know.
I'm your best man.
And
before, if I'm your best man, now for that altar, when we there for that? Oh, no, for the reception. But I know say few hours you go soon go crank. Now I go there for, as I there for the back. There I go be. You don't say God today. You don't say God today. I go check.
But seriously, Shakara.
Sorry, I don't have finished. Maybe.
I want to leave and come to Allah. You dey talk
Allah.
That's
serious,
Shakara.
You say what?
You will a chance to go to Koku.
But see what I was saying before we come gossip. Now, if a girl or a guy don't date that long, you understand, and the guy don't even know he did inside relationship, it's a spiritual thing because it is hard to break. My problem is this now. I feel continue to love the girl. If only the girl, as she tell me this thing, she don't already stop.
Okay.
Because why I say spiritual, I say it is hard to break this game.
But you don't believe, say, you as they tell you this thing, so until when they're comfortable around you before you go fit tell you.
But if she's still doing it, and a girl, we don't hide this matter for 4 years for your hand. Why do you use 4 years? Because Shakara this thing now.
Shakara,
even we don't hide for how many years? Maybe
we even look for the guy side now. Maybe we look for the guy side. We don't talk the girl side plenty. Maybe we even look for the guy side. If you say the other side, say the guy na, GAY, say the guy na. How do you expect?
You don't go like my contribution for this part because I feel go talk rubbish.
I know.
If
Well,
not
I
the guy,
don't criticize
if not
anybody.
the guy, no. If they go crucify me for criticizing or crucify, leave him. That say na me tell you.
No, but then you are being biased.
No, I want to be
If
biased.
you leave the guy,
you know why I say I want to be.
Then why would you leave the girl too?
You know why I want to be biased?
Why?
Because being a gay is evil. And then being a lesbian.
Oh, please, Ugo.
Being a lesbian
Sakara,
is
how do men stand like this?
You understand? Now these girls, you understand the thing?
See,
I don't understand.
at least women have
Tell
juice.
him I said so. A man, another man they do and he say love you.
But wait,
love
you don't say the way the whole matter they did now. They talk saying that some they say now so they born them that their personality.
Well, I'm not after
their sexuality.
I'm not after that.
And
My-
you know say when
my
it
own
comes
is
to this thing again, what they happen in the world, where they say freedom.
Now
you get this freedom
but you
thing.
have
They
to
will tell you
realize that
this is who I am.
most times this will they bring sicknesses they come from this gay and lesbian thing, and that's why any partner should either quit if the partner where you deal with never quit what they do. Then you because you might be bringing in strange spirits into your body, sickness which you don't know.
And funny enough, just check, forget the danger self. Check the form you and girl did. Get it, you tell the girl, baby, I love you. Say, I love you too, baby. Two guys. I love you.
No, the guy will change voice now. Tell me, I change voice.
Okay, use your gay voice.
No, you tell me, say you love me.
Yeah, baby, I love you.
Oh, honey.
This is
your opinion, I beg. This is your opinion before you go give me.
Show man a professional.
This is your opinion, no.
Show man a professional.
Say the person are gay.
If I'm a Christian, I will try to encourage him.
I go leave her now.
I leave him.
God forbid. Now date you call her moon. We never marry. Don't break up.
Is he gay? I will drop him now.
I will leave her now.
You will leave him now. I mean, no, I know if he stay.
I go leave him, of course. No.
Not gay. I'll cut off the relationship. Yeah, I go leave her.
I don't know what I go do now. I'll leave. That's it. I go leave him now.
No. You know that the person are gay.
You never know before.
But you can't know say the person are gay. I will stay away from the person now. I go leave him.
Let it change. Because he cannot do it by force. Be giving him some certain preaching. some certain advice. Maybe through you, he can change. Are you getting me? So if you giving him a good advice, if God say really that through your advice or your encouragement, he can change. Well, through you can change. So nothing get beginning that did not have ending.
You know, go feel satisfy me if they do that kind of thing.
I will leave him immediately. Immediately.
Shakara.
We dey here, they listen to people in the street. Two of them, they contemplate on woman where they want satisfy.
No, not that. So, man, may not go to the we say, now that lady will say, if the guy na gay, say cannot satisfy her. You know, anytime woman talk that or say, man cannot satisfy. Men where they willing to satisfy.
Go call the
They are almost
men that are ready.
They are almost.
But Shakara, that lady needs she needs a man to.
But almost all 98% of those women.
Only that deeper life. Sorry, that
only that
woman
with the
But she get points.
Prayers and all
she
that.
said the first time she said you encourage her.
Because they say who fights around away lives to fight another.
So you encourage him to do more.
No, you go to talk to the woman, make her clear.
No, she don't say encourage her to do more.
By your
preaching, you can change.
If he can't change.
How you want to take preach, give?
If God say na your husband be that.
Unless God say so.
You cannot change it.
Unless God.
But I don't see so many of them where we say they change now.
No.
A lot of them don't change. Where we say from
Look,
from
it's this whole thing. I don't say. Well, if you get into the situation where we say you go find your wife, say your wife is a lesbian. I don't know, but I feel say number one, all these years, why you not take no? And that's where it brings me to still Shakara. How will you date a girl for 4 years?
Hi.
I've said it before. I've said it before. I say, look, if you date any girl for 2-3 years and she never mess before you, she dey hide something.
So who tell say this one never mess with my friend before?
How she take mess? Do you know the smell of your baby's punaya or vajeje? You don't know. So someone will now be telling you tomorrow that this is how your baby's something smell. Even a doctor can tell.
You can talk rubbish.
But don't lie now.
I swear to God.
If you love somebody,
I don't know what they talk now. It's out of point.
How? Because for the first time you have hit yourself in the foot. That you don't even know this girl.
Wait. What if I don't know her? It's so now by sleeping with each other and they take
not by sleeping.
It's not by cranking a girl. That's when you know her. I know this girl very well. I know what she they capable of. I know, in fact,
don't vouch for any girl.
But wait, but you know say I suppose let you.
So wait, have you laid on the same bed with the girl before?
Yes, now.
And you know they moved.
Wait, Showman, I want to ask you. Wait. I want to ask you, Showman. Why are you there so concerned?
And the girl was not moved.
It's called self-control.
Self-control. Why you there so much into this matter?
Don't call my girlfriend. Hey, you there? This is where they call my girlfriend.
Sorry, one of your girlfriends. I'm suspecting that one of your girlfriends is.
No verse.
You know, when person cost you, one cost and back. You don't know what you take. You don't even get. You know, friend, you don't get.
He call himself Mr. Lover. Mr. Lover boy.
You get.
He can't boast of a woman.
Do you have you?
I have.
You don't be like person who cost person leg, say leg bend, and you no get leg. So to cost you back, no problem.
No, at least I don't use you as example. I cannot make a mistake.
But really, how it go be if now you date the shoes where we say the girl can't change, you go accept them?
Yes, if she loves me, yes.
No, obviously you are deeply in love now.
Yes, now.
Put yourself in the shoes of a woman now. Put yourself in the shoes of a woman now. How you go take them? Yeah, from guy side.
That's a bitter pill to swallow anyway.
Why?
Very bitter.
You accept the girl is just now. You say you accept.
So why you want to accept the guy back?
You cannot change my emotions because part of
Donnie McCloskey was once a gay.
That is him.
And he repented. People didn't repent.
So man, that's him. I am here now, here now. We did this bad, always drink. I don't come say, because me and my friends the G's, so make I try to balance it. I got to do it from
maybe inside of me. Do what don't spoil.
Inside of me? From me?
Yeah.
Leave it like that.
What don't spoil, I beg. What don't spoil when they come back. I beg. this one, a matter we will carry concern you now today. This one does point a very, very strong thing because these days now we hear of several things where touchlighting things, what they call rape, where they happen all over the world, not be only in Nigeria. Now, everywhere in the world. Because I know, say, every week we dey hear gist of rape where they happen for either in India, in US, in UK.
Inedo and
but seriously,
Waka last week now.
They come. Wait till me, I dey try to talk. Say, I'm not encouraging rape anyway.
Yeah.
And I'll say I did very controversial today. But, you know, they like before. Rape case. No.
Let me tell you why you know this.
When last you hear say about rape for this Nigeria?
Okay, tell you. Let me tell you why. The world don't grow now. Girls don't they smart. The stigma where girls they carry the content you say they don't rape them. Now why did they keep quiet?
They lock up.
They will lock up now because no girl want to say they don't rape them.
Okay, before they always say
most
they
people
rape them.
They don't know the stigma. No, but now if people don't civilize now.
From my observation and small research, I know say rape case.
If I want to link it up to someone like
forget about people.
You try blessing because you sleep with your girl.
Wait.
Now
why you always bring the girl into the matter now?
So if I sleep with girl for bed, I go rape the girl. I don't know what to talk.
I say because you sleep with girl and you don't touch the girl.
The matter with them.
They are men.
No man.
They are doing it by say it no be like before. It get when they say every time you hear rape case.
Your last word.
Now it has reduced. That's what I mean.
Your last word, showman.
You are not. Are you a traveler? You don't travel around. Yes, you went to Calabar
your last word.
The other day.
Your last word.
Okay. My last word about this lesbian gay thing. It's a two-way thing. If you feel tolerate them, then you forgive and move on. But if you can't tolerate it, still move on.
Well. When I don't hear every will carry concern.
You know, as my last word.
I don't give showman because I know to get time. But the most important thing we did then I say, anyhow it be for you, try be yourself, Try be yourself. That's just the most important thing. Try be yourself. And be safe. Know whoever you date with 24/7. And open your eyes before you truly fall in love with somebody. I know say me you know love, but open your eyes well. Give me your last word, my friend.
Now you need me.
I don't need you.
You need who?
Why do I would like
well, as a very experienced man, I will tell you something. If the guy or the girl...
Streets body people know they feeling me. Life is sweet, jadi no go killing me. Whoop pussy cars, lorry berry, yeah just silling me. All of my dogs that they wonder is it really me? I mean that want to cash oh, my Tommy let's crash oh. You know be Jimmy Jato, no they copycat oh. Forget Jennifer and your la badness, but Bobby's girls they can never stop us. Go Gucci, go Versace, be Prada. When you want me to Job, parada. 99999 official. Hey, official. This is songs. There's something about you I just can't say.
Money.
Hey, feeling in my heart, they bust my brain.